So how can it be true that God is eternal in the past, but the universe cannot be eternal in the past? Is this not just some kind of special pleading for God? The answer is no. And before I get into that, first you need to understand what the definition of time. First you need to understand what the definition of time really is. The definition of time is merely a measurement of events. That means if events are occurring, the concept of time is in play. So if we look at our universe, for example, you will see that there is space, and you will also see that events are occurring, so you will understand that there is time. So if the universe were eternal in the past, that means space and time would also be eternal in the past as well. With that being said, here's the kicker, man. Here's the problem. If time is eternal in the past, then you would be faced with the problem of infinite regress, which is you cannot traverse an infinite number of cause and effects. So, if time is eternal in the past, we would have had to crossed or traversed an infinite number of cause and effects to arrive at this current moment in time. But we know that is logically incoherent. It's impossible. But here I am today talking to you, making this video. So that means necessarily that the universe had a starting point or a beginning a finite time ago. Now God, the God equation or the God scenario on the other hand, is completely different. So it's not special pleading. In the God scenario, God is spaceless and timeless prior to creating the universe at all. At which point, when he creates the universe, that's when time actually begins to exist at all. And that's when he becomes temporal. So, in the God equation, God exists eternally in the past, but time does not. God creates time, and that's when time begins to exist. So the two are completely different, and that is how God can exist eternally in the past, but the universe cannot. I love you guys, man. I'll see you soon. I'm out of here, bro. The Atheist Killer, Theistic Essentialism, we're on the rise, bro. Peace.